The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 16 Piece Kitchen Cookware Set is a collection of pots and frying saucepans designed for healthy cooking. Here are some details about the set. 1. Nonstick Coating. The cookware set features a ceramic nonstick coating that is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This coating ensures easy food release and allows for low-fat cooking since less oil or butter is required. 2. 16-piece set. The set includes various sizes of pots, saucepans, and frying pans, providing versatility for different cooking tasks. The specific pieces may vary, but generally, you can expect a range of saucepans, stockpots, frying pans, and lids. 3. Soft grip handles. The cookware features soft grip handles that stay cool during cooking. These handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, making it easier to handle the pots and pans while cooking. 4. Dishwasher safe. The GreenLife cookware set is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. You can simply place the pots and pans in the dishwasher after use for convenient and easy cleaning. 5. Heat distribution. The cookware set is designed to provide even heat distribution, which ensures that your food cooks evenly without hot spots. This feature helps prevent burning and promotes consistent cooking results. 6. Color and design. The set is available in a vibrant red color that adds a pop of color to your kitchen. The cookware has a stylish and modern design that complements various kitchen aesthetics. It's worth noting that while the ceramic nonstick coating is generally durable, it can wear off over time with repeated use and cleaning. It's recommended to use non-metal utensils to prevent scratching the coating and prolong its lifespan. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and care guidelines provided with the cookware for specific usage and maintenance instructions.